Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to recover deleted WhatsApp photos. Let's begin. Let's say you sent or received a photo, but the picture or chat got deleted by mistake. What can you do to recover it? The first option is to check for a backup. If you've enabled WhatsApp backup, you can restore the chat easily. Just go to Settings and Chats and click on Chat Backup and check if there's a backup available. If yes, reinstall WhatsApp and restore the backup to recover the deleted photos. But if you haven't created a backup and the photo was deleted recently, there's still a workaround, and you don't need any app for this. Open your phone's File Manager. Tap on Android, then go to the Media folder. Inside that, open the folder named com.whatsapp. Then go to the WhatsApp folder and open the Media folder inside it. Here, you'll see multiple folders. Tap on WhatsApp Images. Inside that, you'll find two main folders, Private and Sent. If you've sent a photo to someone, if your friend sent you a photo or video and it got deleted, go to the WhatsApp Video folder instead. Inside that, open the Sent folder. All videos you've sent or received and deleted will likely still be here if your storage hasn't been cleaned recently. So that's how you can recover your deleted WhatsApp photos without using any third-party apps. Thanks for watching.